In this guide, you'll learn how to make a reel with photos on Facebook. Let's get started. First, launch a Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, click on this plus option given at the top. Select the option Reel. With that, your gallery will open up. Now, click on Select Multiple. Then browse through your photos to select the ones you want to add to your reel. After choosing the photos, tap the Next button. On the next screen, select the music you want to apply to your reel and tap on Next. Now you'll be in the editing screen where you can rearrange the photos, adjust the timing, and add text, stickers, music, filters, or effects. Once you're done with your editing process, you can click on Next. Here you can add a caption, hashtag, or any other details you want. Finally, tap the Share Now button at the bottom of the screen and your photo reel will be posted on Facebook for your followers to see. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.